American Express Platinum cards. Is it even worth getting it? What is up, everybody? I'm making a quick video today, and this is to all my fellow Canadians. If you're American, this is not really going to apply to you, or you know what, if you just want to watch the video because you fuck with me, go ahead and watch it. But this is for people that are interested in American, Platinum card, American Express Platinum card in Canada. It is a bit different than the one in America. I wanted to make a quick video on it. I've had 3 Platinum cards in the past. 2 of them I actually canceled, and 1 of them I still use. So I'm gonna tell you guys if you should even, why you should get it, if it's even worth it for someone like you, and overall just talk about the different benefits and give you guys my overall review. Anyways, so the thing with the Platinum card is that a lot of people now in Canada also, first of all, in Canada it's finally metal. So before it was actually like plastic. And if you actually are someone that has a plastic American Express Platinum card, call them or email them and they'll actually send you a metal replacement for free. So there's some value right there. But anyways, Platinum card, I think the personal Platinum card is useless. Just because it costs $700 a year. You get I believe $200 travel credit and priority pass access, Toronto Pearson access, this, that, or whatever. But there's no difference between the business one and the Platinum one. So some of you may not even have a business, so you can get this one, but it's only worth you getting this card if you travel often. If you do not travel often, this card is almost useless unless you just want to flex on the hose when it comes to your metal card. But you guys got to understand that these cards, especially the Platinum one, the personal one, the points isn't the best as the American one. There isn't like crazy benefits like the American one when you get TSA pre-check, where you get like Uber credit, Saks Fifth credit, access to WeWork, this, that, or whatever. In Canada it's pretty plain, right? They talk about the concierge service, they talk about the lounge access, which everybody has. But overall, like, the personal one, I have to cancel mine just because I got the business one. It's a little bit better. I'll talk about that in a second. But if you do not travel often, I really just don't even think you should get the American Express at all. It's not worth your, the welcome bonus is good, I guess, but it's just not worth it if you don't travel. Because if I didn't travel so much last year and get to go into all these cool lounges all around the world, this card would have been worthless. Yeah, so talking about priority pass, you guys do know that if you guys get the American Express Platinum, you get priority pass for free, which gives you lounge access to almost any lounge in the world. I've been to lounges in Qatar, Nepal, Colombia, Toronto, all over the US. I've been to the Centurion, because of the American Express, I've been to the Centurion Lounge in San Francisco. But Bali, I've been to a lounge, Qatar, Doha, Qatar, where else did I go? Muscat, Oman, all like Germany. I got to go to so many cool lounges with this card. And that is literally, guys, if you guys do not travel often, don't get this card. It makes no sense for you to get this card. Maybe if you are doing a lot of ad spend, or a lot of you're spending a lot of money for your business, maybe then get this card. Other than that, it literally makes no sense for you to get these cards, right? Because I'm telling you, the membership fee is high. The benefits is not the same as the US one, and if you don't travel, it's literally worthless. I got to skip a line at Toronto Pearson once, and there was no line anyway, so it was kind of whack. I've been to some cool lounges, but so if you actually get the business one, you also get like an account manager assigned to you. So my account manager, her name is Sana. So if I ever needed help with American Express, or if I ever needed like personal help, I had to reach out to something, I can call her. So that's the cool part about it, is like I can call her. Also, you can call American Express and get tickets for, not tickets for free, but like get someone to book you tickets. So during this one time in Toronto, when the Raptors were in the playoffs, there's this one restaurant that was fully booked online, but we called American Express and got reservations. They got us reservations basically. So it's good for stuff like that as well. But if you're an everyday person, everyday normal person, not making that much money, not traveling the world, not spending that much money, this is just not worth it for the status. Like, I know it's a metal card, it clanks, but it's just not worth it. Don't get it. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your money. Like, I had some people that I know get the Amex card, and I'm like, there's literally like for you, like, you know, the status might be cool, but $700 a month for a card is a lot. And if you aren't traveling, and if you aren't using the lounge access, it's just not worth it, in my personal opinion. It's just not worth it long term. So yeah, I mean, that is it for my review for the platinum card. Like, you know, I do have a lot of points because of this, so I can travel through that. But also understand, as a business owner, it does make sense for me to get something like this, because I can put all my ad spend or all my, you know, spending in this and get points off of that. And I have been able to get a lot of points just off of me spending money on ads, me going out, you know, spending money at dinners and stuff like that. Yeah, other than that, guys, like, it literally makes no, if you're an everyday normal person and that doesn't travel a lot, don't get the American Express Platinum, man. It's whack. It's not worth $700 a year. So that is my honest review. I love my platinum card. You know, it's a fun flex as well, but if I didn't run a business, and if I didn't travel as often as I do, I would not keep this card. It's definitely not worth it, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All my fellow Canadians, if you guys do run a business and want to use your Amex card, you know, for business, click the link. I put my referral link. This is, like I said, good for business if you're spending money, or good for business if you travel here and there, because in the long run you can fly for free, especially if you spend as much money as me on ads and stuff. Like, you know, I know someone that has $50,000 worth of Amex points, right? So you can, yeah, you can, especially if you spend a lot of money, Amex kind of makes sense. But overall, what I'm trying to do is get the American Express, American Amex, not the Canadian one. As I said, the American one has so much more benefits. If you guys want, I'm gonna put the link down to see, like, you know, the different benefits you get as a platinum member. I just told you all the benefits that I've noticed, and you know what, there might be benefits I don't know about. This is just an honest review. I've had this for a year now. If there's some benefits that you guys think I should take advantage of, let me know. You know, I would love that. But yeah, quick review for my Canadian friends, if you should get the Amex Platinum. Have a great day, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I made a quick one-take video again, just because I have so much content that I'm editing right now. I have a podcast starting soon. I have like a sick interview I'm coming out with. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you all so much. Thank you so much for all your support. Stay blessed, stay lovely. Bye. Peace out.